throttle go. The only knob you can move is the blinker knob.
So you said you're not quite half, but you're over a quarter of the way. Seems like you know Have you went?
Once I did, so where I'm going straight across there, that's about the halfway. So I gotta rip these off.
Okay.
Short rows.
Have you went to the back at all yet?
Yeah, I went to the back on that side and that side.
Okay, so you haven't went along the
Fence back there?
yeah.
Yeah, I got steered, buddy.
Moisture reading on there usually normal, or right?
Yeah, it's right there. No.
So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says 9.3% moisture and 62 bushel per acre. That's pretty good for our dry land. Put a copyright on my video. No, I'm joking.
Figured it out good. A little more ground speed than my friend. Let the beam speed in a little better. I was driving too slow for.
If you go a certain speed, you're talking about?
Yeah, I'm trying to go about 4 miles an hour.
4 miles an hour. So what does that red lever do that?
What? This one?
Yeah.
This is my hydrostat. That's how fast I go forward and back.
Okay. And then
this is the head up and down, and this is the reel up and down over here.
Okay. So the head is the part with the snoots on it, right? And then the reel is the actual black bollard. Okay. Didn't know that.
Now what we're trying to do is, oh no, they're doing 80 right now.
Holy crap.
What we're trying to do is fill the machine up with material because it runs best when it's full, like when it's to capacity.
Okay.
So you want to keep your material moving in there as evenly as possible and keep it running as close to capacity as you can.
Okay.
That's what I've been told. It seems to do the best like that.
So I'm not sure if you heard.
We're trying to. Like this is how fast my cylinder is spinning. That's what's doing the threshing.
Okay.
That's what's cracking open the pods and stuff.
Okay.
And this is my RPM, 2290. That's full throttle is like 2340 or something.
Okay.
like 2290, 2280. That's about where I want it to be.
Okay.
That's just pulling the engine down a little bit. You don't want to pull it down too much. But
So does that number change when you're pulling hard? Like when the beans are a little harder? What would it be then? Like it'd be higher?
2200 is full load. 2200 RPM is full load.
Like that's the heaviest it wants to pick up basically.
If you
Okay.
start pumping it up more than that, you're doing something wrong.
Is that more wear and tear on those?
Yeah.
Well look, 15 bushel an acre and we're not even hitting anything.
Oops. What do I do here? Oh, back up. Put it in reverse, Terry.
What movie is that from?
It's not a movie, it's a YouTube video. Yeah, the wheelchair's lighting off fireworks.
Okay.
It goes on right next to his chair and he can't figure out how to get it in reverse and all his family's yelling at him. Terry, back up, Terry!
Oh, Lanta.
Oh, 40. Yeah, we're almost up to 44. That's still really good.
It's still going higher.
That's right.
Well, from what I've been calculating, seems like that's pretty close. Like I get 59 bushel an acre, so it's pretty good.